Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Goode with your weekly update. I want to take a moment to congratulate our Prescott Airport Director, Rick Crider, on his award from the NATA Airport Executive Partnership. The award recognizes airport managers for their outstanding efforts to develop and improve relationships between aviation businesses and airport operators. In order to receive this award, Rick demonstrated leadership in local partnerships between airport operators and airport tenants, developing a positive relationship between the airport and its businesses. I'm very proud of Rick Crider's recognition and achievements, and I look forward to many more advances at the Prescott Regional Airport. Thank you, Rick, and your staff for all that you do. The City of Prescott is seeking public comment on the draft 2025 General Plan document. The 60-day public comment period started on September 23rd and lasts through November 21st. A general plan is a land use policy guide and provides a vision of what the city will likely become in 10 years. Community input to implementing the community vision is important, and your participation is encouraged. The city will host a public open house for the general plan this Thursday, October 24th, at the Prescott Library in the Founders Room from 3 to 6 p.m. Staff and committee members will be on hand to answer any questions about the proposed general plan. A virtual meeting room is also available for the public to visit and provide comments. Access to the meeting room is on the planprescott.com website under 60-day public comment period. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on a number of city boards, commissions, and committees. The City of Prescott is currently seeking applications for the Building Safety Advisory and Appeals Board. This term goes from March of 2024 through March of 2027. Applicants must be a Prescott resident, and there are 2 vacancies. The CDBG Citizens Advisory Committee is also looking to fill 1 vacancy. Applicants do not need to be a Prescott resident. The open seat has a term that starts immediately and goes through March of 2026. Boards, committees, and commissions provide great opportunities for citizens to take an active role in our local government. Members will be appointed by the City Council with a recommendation by the Council Subcommittee on Appointments after all applications are reviewed. Please turn in your application to the City this Friday, October 25th by 5 p.m. During the City Council study session at 1 p.m. tomorrow in the Council chambers, we will have a presentation and discussion from Legislative District 1 Representatives Selena Bliss, Quan Nguyen, and Senator Bennett regarding legislative district issues and the upcoming legislative session. We'll hear a report from them, and the Council will have an opportunity to ask questions. During the Council voting meeting, we will consider a rezoning of property to allow for a multifamily apartment building, and the Council will be updated on the Council's strategic plan. As City Manager Dallin Kimball explains, the strategic plan is more than just a document. It's the city's commitment to excellence and innovation. The strategic plan serves as a guide for decision-making and resource allocation, ensuring that we make transparent and informed choices that benefit the entire community. There are 5 priorities that will be discussed and explained during this presentation. I encourage you to watch and learn what we are striving to achieve for our community. There's only one other city meeting this week. The Council Subcommittee on Appointments meets on Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024 at 1:30 p.m. in the Council Conference Room. Ballots for the general election have been mailed out, and early in-person voting is open in Yavapai County for the 2024 general election. You can vote early or drop off your ballot at the County Administration Building on Fair Street. If you live in the Prescott city limits, Proposition 478, the Prescott Public Safety Needs Measure, is on this ballot. Between now and the general election in November, I'm providing facts and information about the Prescott public safety needs as they relate to Proposition 478. With a significant increase in population and an escalating rise in the number of service calls, operational needs for the Prescott Public Safety Departments are reaching a critical tipping point. Anticipated operational needs including new personnel, additional training and specialty units, which will be paid for with the Proposition 478 tax revenues if the measure is approved by City of Prescott voters. This will help solve the current deficits and prepare the city's public safety needs for the future. If Proposition 478 passes, all funds received from this tax will be solely dedicated to only these needs. In sharing this information with you, please understand that these statements are meant to be factual and informative in nature and are not intended to support or oppose any ballot measures. If you are unable to attend the open houses, the ParticipatePrescott.com website has quite a bit of information on Proposition 478, including copies of the public open house information boards. We would also appreciate it if you could take the quick survey at the ParticipatePrescott.com website. This allows us to learn from you and respond to your questions and concerns. I'm Mayor Phil Goode, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.